Today I would like today I would like to explain the concept of data science. What is the prerequisition of data science? Before we are going to start data science, we need to start with the data. Data is a raw material which can be audio, video, text, image, graphics, animation. Once we are processing the data, it becomes information. Collection of interrelated data with the help of relational, non-relational database software is called a database. Then a collection of softwares to manage relational and non-relational database management system with the help of schemas, tables and relations, that is called DBMS. Then a combination of data plus DBMS is called a database system. We are storing small amount of data in a server system. Data center is called a Datamart, that is called a subset of a data warehousing. Once we are storing a huge volume of data in the server system data center, collection of data marts is called OLAP, online analytical processing. Then data mining is nothing but the process of extracting meaningful interested data. Then big data deals with the data sets like volume, velocity, variety. Then data science is the process of extracting meaningful interested patterns by applying machine and deep learning and AI algorithms in order to perform interested analytics by using